In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid one common mistake that people frequently make when they prototype their contact form in Axure RP by not making it keyboard accessible. If you want, you can download the free resource file from the description below and get started. Once you open the file in Axure RP, select the text field and hit the tab button from your keyboard. You will notice a random behavior of your form. And if you test such type of input behavior, you will get the same issue rather than finding the new issue in your usability testing. So it is not a good idea to test such type of form. To make it accessible, go to the outline pane, select all the text input and the button, drag and drop it on the top. Now select the first one and make it on top. Select the second one and place it just below it. Then the third one and the text area, and last is the button. Now if you press your keyboard key, you will see a sequential behavior inside it. Hope you understand it. So go ahead and test your knowledge now by downloading the free resource file in your local machine from the description below and practice it. If you're then interested, also take a free overview of the comprehensive course on Axure RP. If you have any question, comments or difficulty, then please leave a note below so that I can help you the best way I can. So hopefully I will see you soon on another video, but in the meantime, you had a good time with this one.